we don't play. We play organic. No gloves, no copy, no bullshit. We play just normal, natural.
But how do I belong it?
No more gloves, okay?
We can't. We have to do it.
No. You must.
عصبها أي شيء كذا واكو عصبها نو ما أنت يقلق. والله واكو عصبها شيء كذا نقلق. خطرات وابكو جينا ممكن. I'm sorry. I'm scared right now.
Yes.
Ninkan nin خطر واي ما again. I need to let me see his Oh yeah, he's big. Oh yeah. He is. Oh, he's one of the big dogs. Oh, they حتى هو صدر gloves. We need 2 gloves right now.
Come on, Maka. Please, guys. Come on.
Bro, this is an important game right now. Ash, I see you. We need the 2 gloves set, you guys. Where is... Okay, let me tell you guys who we need. Okay, Ina Saeed. Ina Saeed. You guys, let's go. We have 45 seconds. Lay, Jazz. Everybody, send the glove. Let's go. We have 1 glove. Give through the glove. You guys, let's go. They're gonna snipe. Thank you.
Yes, of course. Come on, guys.
Let's go. We need all the gloves used and activate. Let's go. Thank you for the BB gun. No Fioros. No Fioros.
Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
Fioros not gonna work. Let's go.
Come on.
Thank you.
Come on.
Let's go. Thank you. Thank you. I see you. Let's do our big one. No Fioros, you guys.
Come on, guys. Come on. Come on.
Let's go. Who's gonna win this one? Oh my God. W to all the double poochers. W. Hold on. You guys, this is just a start though. We have a big
guys. What is it? Okay, what is it? I'm sitting alarm. Ramat alayda halka ka soo muuqatay kuligin sugiya face to face.
And I see you. You have a glove. Rayan has a glove that we could use. You guys, we have a lot of gloves. I see you have a glove, okay? Z, thank you. Jay-Z, I see you. ABCD, Faye, Abdi, KK, Ashley, I see you. And I see you. You guys, we have to do our big one.
Hello, Tarika. We play organic, no gloves. Are you ready? I see. You know, I'm natural. I'm material. Because I don't like organic, I don't like Kobe, I don't like bullshit things. I'm organic man. I'm Wadani, patriot. That's good if you want.
What are you guys thinking? No, okay. They're saying no, like come on.
No gloves, natural.
Gloves come up with shit, they're not sort of fat, you know?
No gloves. If you're ready, we can pay. If you're not ready, you can go.
What are we doing?
No, I don't like gloves.
Thank you. I don't know. Why we can't just play the we need to use our gloves, Abo. Come on.